Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll show you how to hide apps in Start menu on Windows to give your desktop a much cleaner look. We will go through the settings together to customize your view, so now let's get started. Step 1. Right click on the Start button located at the bottom of your screen and select Settings from the menu that appears. This action opens the main configuration panel where you can manage how your operating system looks and behaves. Step 2. Look at the list on the left-hand side and click on the Personalization tab to access visual settings. Since this menu is set to Home by default, selecting Personalization ensures you are in the right place to modify your Start menu layout. Step 3. Scroll down in the right pane until you find the Start section and click on it to see more options. This area contains the specific toggles that control what apps and items are allowed to appear when you open your Start menu. Step 4. Find the options to show recently added apps, show most used apps, and show recently opened items in Start or Jump lists. You should toggle all of these switches to the off position to remove these distracting lists from your view immediately. Step 5. Click on your Start menu again to relaunch it and verify that the app lists and recommendations are now hidden. Step 6. Go back to the settings. Look for the More Recommendations option to further decrease the number of items shown. While you cannot remove the entire section, choosing this setting will significantly clean up the interface by hiding unnecessary app icons. Step 7. Click on your Start menu again to relaunch it and verify that the app lists and recommendations are now hidden. This final check ensures your changes have been applied correctly and that your workspace is organized exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.